Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In the previous video, we understood what BIM is and why Revit is used in the industry. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Revit step by step on your computer. Revit is developed by Autodesk, which is one of the leading companies in the design and construction software industry. Many professionals around the world use Revit for BIM modeling and documentation. To download Revit, go to official Autodesk website. Here you can find Revit product page. From here, you can download the installer and start the installation process. If you are a student or educator, Autodesk provide free educational access to Revit. This means you can use full version of Revit for learning purposes. You just need to create an Autodesk account and verify your student status. After logging in, you can download the Revit installer. The file size is quite large, so the download may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can start the installation. To install Revit, simply run the installer file. Follow the installation steps and keep the default settings. The installation process may take 15 to 30 minutes depending on your computer performance. For smooth performance, your computer should meet some basic requirements. It is recommended to have at least 16 GB RAM, a good processor, and SSD storage for better speed. This will help run Revit more smoothly. Once installation is complete, you will see the Revit icon on your desktop. Now, we can open Revit and start exploring the software. In the next video, we will understand the Revit interface, which is very important for beginners. So make sure to continue with the next lesson in this course.